Here's a Viper remote start installed on this Chevy Silverado. This is the body style 2003 to 2007 Classic. This is the Viper 5706 1 mile pager remote start. Full security, two-way pager. For the remote start, we hit that middle button once. And a few seconds later, it'll crank. Here is the alarm that we used. Viper 5706V. On this truck, we also converted the manual door locks to power door locks. There aren't any buttons on the door panel. Everything's manual, but now when you hit lock, the door lock will move. Hit unlock, opens up. Two front doors, manual door locks converted to power door locks. So now we lock it, locks the doors, unlock, unlocks the doors. We can also shut it down by pushing that start key one more time, and that will stop the engine. We have all types of alarms here at Innovative Car Sound. Give us a call. Come by the shop. We're open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6. And we'll see you guys on the next one.